Hey, to change keyboard theme on the CMF Phone 1, first of all you will have to open the settings. Now you will have to start scrolling and you will have to go into the system settings. Then you will have to tap on the keyboard, select on-screen keyboard and select Gboard. Next, you will have to open theme and you've got two options. The first, you can pick something from the default keyboard themes. You can turn on and off keyboarders additionally and tap apply. But if you want to create your custom preset of the keyboard theme, tap here. And now we can pick something from your photos. You can pick the albums and then you can actually customize, pick any part of the photo that you want. Like for example, this one. Click next. And now we can set the brightness of your keyboard. Click done. And also you can turn on and off the keyboarders and then apply. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.